Smart Proxy is now Decodo, a powerful tool for anyone who needs fast, reliable, and anonymous access to the web. With access to over 65 million residential, mobile, and data center IPs, Decodo is designed for marketers, developers, and businesses that depend on data. Decodo makes it simple to gather data from any website without being blocked. Whether you're tracking SEO rankings, scraping prices, or managing multiple social accounts, Decodo gives you the flexibility and speed you need. The link to Decodo, formerly Smart Proxy, is in the video description, so you can explore all its features and pricing options right now. You can also start a free trial. Its dashboard is intuitive. The API integration is smooth, and the connection speeds are among the best in the industry. Plus, you get 24/7 support to help you with anything along the way. What really sets Decodo apart is its balance of performance and simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The dashboard is clean, the setup is fast, and the support team is available 24/7 if you ever need help. Pricing is also flexible, starting as low as $7.50 per gigabyte. So whether you're a freelancer, agency, or large enterprise, there's a plan that fits your needs. If you need proxies that are fast, secure, and won't get blocked, Decodo is one of the best choices available today. The link is in the video description. Need proxies that just work? Decodo is your solution. Click the link in the description to get started with Decodo today and take advantage of their exclusive offers and free trials.